So this is the first Dollar Tree that I've been to that actually does the whole DVD Blu-ray section special. I think it's pretty cool because I mean it's just $1 for a DVD. They have a couple things that I've not ever seen. Green Lantern, like the cartoon animated version. Let's see. A couple kids DVDs. This one's a good one actually. 7 Days of Grace. Searching for Dipper Winger. Pee-wee. I've never been a big fan of Pee-wee, but X-Men. I guess I've never really given Pee-wee a chance, but this one looks pretty good actually. And then it just seems like it's being repeated. Koala Kid, I've never heard of this one, but girls might want to watch it. And they have a good selection, but then at the same time, it's kind of things you haven't heard of. Well, I have never heard of. So, these would be great for Mother's Day. Bath bombs for $1. I mean, come on. You can do like a little gift bag with these. Let's see. It looks like they added more plates. These are kind of nice. And they added this whole new section over here that wasn't here before. They have some photo albums with nice like design in the front. These are pretty cute. They're a little small, but I mean, like I said, it's $1, so worth the price. And here's some more. I'm really excited about this selection because you have so much more to choose from, and like I said, you can make like a little gift bag for mom and add these little items, and it's just perfect. They added also these little flowers. These are like clippies. And then some lotion, some sponges, and perfume. I didn't smell the perfume because the boxes are sealed, and you can tell from the front. So these are really cute. You see, like, these are really sturdy. They have nice little quotes in the front. That's another thing you can add to this little gift bag for mom, and just get a couple things and not even spend 20 bucks. Let's see. So far my favorites have been the album and these little signature thingies, meme thingies, I'm sorry. These scarves are really, really cute, and the material is honestly not bad. It's pretty like how do I put it, like freeing, you know, like this would be something you'd probably put in the summer and it won't be too hot. They had added these as well, and these butterflies as well. And these charms have been here already. Some more scarves with more of a girly type of design. Some cards for Mother's Day. More bath bombs. Some of these like little icy pack type of eye thingies. Gift bags. Some more sponges. Let's see. Now these are the ones that I saw on another YouTuber's video, and I was so excited. I couldn't wait to come see them. They had 2 different ones here, and they're huge. I mean, like, they're so cute, and I'm still shocked of how cheap it is. So, oh, and then they added these. I know the last time we came, they had like more of the plastic ones. These are cute. Some more decorations. Okay. I'm not sure what these are. It looks like it has something in the back. Let's see. Okay, so it's like a light up. I guess you can leave these outside and just kind of put it in the doorway, you know, like the sidewalk leading up to the doorway. That's cute. Little containers for miscellaneous things. More gift bags, cupcake thingies. The July 4th section is looking very awesome. You got sandals. You even got a hat. The material is not quite sturdy, but it's, you know, it's $1. And then you got some wings for the girls, some wands, and then these are so cute to put outside and just watch them go. See, they added some decorations. I can't believe it. We're in May and they're already thinking about July. That's crazy. Some graduation stuff, and then water bottles everywhere in the Dollar Tree right now. It's important to stay hydrated, especially we're in Texas, so it gets pretty hot. Oh, these are new. I know the last time we checked they had, oh, there they are, the brown ones. These are green ones. The coconuts are a lot bigger now, but still way too small. But it's nice that they lifted it up. And then basket bags. These are cute for, I guess, if you're designing like a basket, just put them over, make it look adorable. And then they have some hats now for the summer, some more scarves, and some tote bags on the side. These are cute as well. These are more like meme ones. Like this is literally an outfit completed for the beach. Your scarf, your hat, and your tote bag, and then you need some sandals. These right here, I've actually seen them in CVS. They're in clearance right now for like $5 to $7 depending on the style, and regularly, like, I think it was like $12. So this right here is a steal. Then this cool out section is still the same. Some more sandals and some more scarves. Those are like the July 4th. Some balls, beach toys. My girls love beach toys, especially when they're able to get plenty of them and just go crazy. Some hula hoops. I don't know if you saw that. Let's see. Okay. Now for my gardening friends, look at these. The gloves that they have are so adorable. They've added a few things, especially these holes, like adapter things. These are so expensive in Home Depot and Lowe's, so that's pretty crazy that they have them here. Let's see, these for the garden or for outside, front lawn, that would be cute, or the back, however you guys please. These things win something. These are brand new. Same items here. Some more flower clips. These little containers for gifts. I think their ribbon selection has gotten so much better. Is all of this. This is crazy how huge their selection is with that, and a bunch of gift wraps. I don't think you would walk out of here without finding the one you like. These are so cute. Bowls. You could probably use them on a box or like even a regular gift bag. So adorable. More gift bags. Some masquerade type of stuff. Now these are pretty cute, fairy outfit, and they have a little chef thing. I know my daughter has this one. I've never seen these little play pretend setups they have here, so it's pretty cool that they're adding more toy selections. And some little mermaids and dolls. I haven't been to this section in so long, so this is like, I'm seeing all these new items that I've never seen. Oh, here's a grow. I really want to try this at home, so I'm gonna probably take one and see what happens. Now they have these little mini games, and they have a variety of different ones. This is pretty cool. Paint it yourself pink. They have a duck, a monkey, car, a frog, some Play-Doh. These candles are everything. It's crazy how good it smells in this little hallway. This is so cute. I swear their candle selection has expanded so much better, and they're all so cute. The little quotes and the color. Oh, I love mermaids, everything. These are here, smell so good. I was very surprised, but I wish it was a lot more candle in it. And these are here as well. And then you got your fillers down here too. Now these are new to me, these little candles, like the spiritual type of candles where healing and stuff like that. That's pretty cool. This is the first Star Wars item I've ever seen at Dollar Tree. Here is the ice cream water containers that I know you guys have been seeing all over the YouTube. Then you got your regular containers for your meal preps and stuff like that. Some bowls for cereal. These are the coolest bowls ever because it has a straw attached. You can just easily just drink the milk up like that. And they have these bowls that you get 3 for $1. And then more water bottles, of course. These are here so cute. They design your own cup. Every time I come, they have some more cups with like little memes on them. Make today awesome. And then Coffee Queen. Bubble blowers. More beach toys. And then, like, again, grab a bubble. Well, that's everything for today. See you guys next week.